Alright guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mind today. If you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I'm the leading GANN scientific and analytical researcher. Today we're going to be diving in on Bitcoin and discussing our target areas and some things that we can see appearing. So from our previous analysis on the moon over the 13 months, we're now approaching, this is the ephemeris here, this is my private ephemeris. I mean, every ephemeris is exactly the same. Right now, we're just about to enter the moon, right? It's just about to enter the sign of Taurus. And when it is about to leave Taurus, and inside of it, we usually have a swing top, a lower swing top, or a higher swing top. And at the end of the month, when we come around and we hit Leo, we will be opposite Pluto 180 degrees. So I put a little target here of where I think maybe we could, we could potentially be there. I mean, it's not necessarily have to be there, but it's looking like, when we make this a little bigger so it's nicer to see. We've been vibrating around here. Now we finally came up and we've hit our 180 degree move from 49 here. And we are right now having a bit of a reaction. If we continue to break above, I have projection lines that go up, as well as I have GANN's angles on here. I know it's kind of busy right now, but that's just the way it is with all these lines. So from here, we have the moon coming in here now, and our target area is in here. We could have a fake out anywhere. And right now, I took this channel that we have here, and I put it here. And it looks and appears that 65 is kind of our target, but we could come back up and square this easy. This 67. We could get up to there and then do a flop. However, staying above that and moving up aggressively, our next targets, of course, would be right here, 68, right, and 69. And then if we were to get above that, we have our last extension tops here. And that would be our 73,000. But that would have to be when the moon is right over here, and no later than when it hits Uranus right here. And Uranus is now sitting at about 8 degrees, 59 degrees of the zodiac. So we could have a very rapid move back on the 1st. And I'm expecting a swing, so we could see that, right? We could see a complete swing from our top here, and then move right back down and sit right back on this 58 and this 60. And that would be right around this period here, all the way through here. So we're going to be watching for that as well. Now, given the fact that we knew that something was going to happen around this area because the moon has, well, it's been always telling us that we have either a lower swing top or a higher swing top. We haven't necessarily had a breakout yet, but we could maybe experience something like that. Maybe next month. So I just wanted to touch base with you again, and you know, this move up here, I think I'm covering it right now, is about 10% or maybe 5. Yeah, let's just say it's 11.5%, you know. Well, I mean, if we could stay here and go up 11.5%, I mean, we could get up into, you know, the 70 level here. And we could certainly have a pullback. So there is that. And we have, excuse me, we have these two 45-degree angles crossing here. And so we're expecting that there's going to be some sort of change here around this area here, you know. It could be out as far as here. So we'll be watching for that. Anyways, I wanted to keep that short, and peace and love, guys. We were knowing that something was up around this time, so keep your stops tight. Peace and love to you.